Here we are, Loch Venachar. Isn't it beautiful? It feels so good to get back. And that sun is strong. It's really hot. I just wonder about the midges. But we'll find out. Okay, this is our first look, Loch Venachar, and I'll show you how stunning it is. Absolutely wonderful. There's a few people here camping because it's the height of summer and unusual for Scotland. It's like 22 degrees right now, but look at it behind me. I'll take you and have a good look. Look at that. Absolutely stunning place. This place you need a permit to camp, but it's only like £3 for one night. But I pay for one night. This is the base, the start of our trip. I've been coming about 10 years now, and you can just come here and make your own fire on the beach. You know, bring your own wood and just have a great night camping. It's just Scotland is amazing. This is the first time documenting it like this, but you can see how stunning Loch Venachar is. Right, the first real walk. I've had my sandwich, banana, and that'll do for tonight. I've had a brew or two, and the sun is going away from the loch now. But I'll just take you to the water edge, and you can have a look. It's getting a bit muddy in this part. I don't want to get my shoes muddy, but see, absolute stunning landscape here. And the car park is getting really full. There's a lot of people turned up, which you know, with a day like this, but when I usually come in September, there's hardly like not many people turn up. And you see somebody over there camping, like me and Gary used to do, having a fire, tent up, chairs out. Even though I love this area, it's not great when it's so packed like this. I'm looking forward to the different parts of Scotland where it's a bit less touristy. So some people have been here, been for a swim, they've got the bikinis on and stuff. I don't know, I'm not used to seeing that in Scotland. But so far the midges, it's not really any midges that I've noticed, but they don't tend to come out until it's like twilight time, really late. So at the moment they're alright, so hopefully it's a good sign for things to come, because it's dry as well. When it's more moist and rainy, the midges kind of come out more. There's another camping area just further down. I'll take you to it and we'll go and have a look at it from the beach. We'll just walk along this beach. There's a lot of people around, a few people around. Quite a few people camping on the beach as well. Alright, I'm going in the woody area. There we go through here. So I didn't get to the beach over there, but now the light's going in. You can see the swans are there. What a swan is. This family here having a fire in there, camping out. This is what camping's about, you know. Family camping. Someone else a fire on the beach. I'm already just feeling like so good about being here. It's bringing the travel, the experience, the feelings, the vibes back. I always have a good experience in this place. I love it.
You're a dead girl. Which way are you going? Pick a thing. Oh, sorry. Belle! Mum! Belle! Come here, you silly kid. I fell in a hole.
Noise, eh? But I just didn't trust her just in case.
Good.
Yeah,
Belle fell in the hole. Yeah, I fell. I fell in the hole. She just wants to say hi as well. She knows I put it all the wrong way.
She's the same though, she's just noise.
She is though.
Take her around this side, right? Good. Out of sight, out of mind.
There's people camping, as you see. They're just like in their own little world, enjoying themselves. This road here, there's hardly a car going past. I've not noticed one or two late in the last half an hour. It's just an incredible spot. Soon to be night. Someone's having a fire over there. Alright, it's getting a bit chillier now, and I put my hat on. I've got an inner fleece on and a coat on. There's some, I think the midges are out. There's some kind of little mites keep flying on my skin. I don't know if they're midges or they want to just crawl on my skin. I'm just kind of a bit worried of them, so hopefully they don't cause too much of a problem. I put the spray on, insect repellent, so it's enough. I think they're just midges, you see them? They're in the air there. But it's dead quiet, so peaceful. A car still hasn't gone past, and there's people around, but they're all minding their own business, keeping themselves to themselves. There's a woman and a child in a tent there, talking quietly, quietly. And there's other people's cars here, but they're in the pictures. I'm very happy, I'm very peaceful, very calm. I'm not de-stressing, but there's something, I'm getting something from the nature here. I'm feeling that's connecting with me and just making me super calm, and it's very therapeutic, you know, therapeutic. I've just started a little fire. I've got this new fire guard to stop the wind, even though it isn't windy. I've got it. It seemed like a good idea, you know, to stop the fire blowing out, and I thought I'd just try it. Make a cup of tea. Just a nice little fire by the beach. It's nice. I'm just in a little slice of a peaceful moment. There we go. The kelly kettle's fired up. First time I've used it in about 3 years. You see? And it's going to boil some water. I'll have a wee decaf brew. It's boiling. I can hear it. That's ready. So now, just take it off. There's some guys turned up in a white van over there, and they've gone into the bushes and having a fire like they've been here before. It goes to the first brew of the trip. It's a bit milky like, but yeah, here's to the first night. Cheers. Oh, and already a little fly in it, midgie or something. You gotta just pull them out and get on with it. There we go. Many more to come. Cheers. Very peaceful. They've gone to bed already. Maybe I should be a little quiet. I'm starting to get midges. When I sat down, they're all hovering over me. I forgot how small they are. They're like tiny. And they're all there now. I think they're the worst at this time. Even though I'm protected with, I hope I'm protected with the bug spray. You keep still, and they're all over the place. What's that? They're getting in my ears now. If there were no midges, Scotland would be a hell of a lot more popular. But the midges does keep a lot of people away. Definitely. They were going on my hands like crazy. I don't know if you can see. There's one there. That's two. When I sat still, there were like a dozen on my hands and they were crawling all over me. So I've just put on this other midgie stuff I got from Amazon. It's meant to stop the midges. So I've put on 2 types now, so I should be well protected. They're so tiny, that's why they're so annoying, you know. Enjoyed the brew, and even with a little midge or 2 inside. But hopefully didn't drink one. The good thing about the midges here in Scotland, when it goes dark, they go away. Or when it goes really practically dark, not fully dark, they just go in, which is really great. So they don't bug you when it's dark, and then put my head torch on, and then it's all good, you know. So there's still loads there. But I'm not feeling no bites, but you don't always know, do you, with midges until later on. Alright, I'm having a late night walk on the beach. It's after 10:30, but you see there's still quite a bit of light here. We're just going near the water, we can have a listen. Isn't that so peaceful? Get my nose tickled. Bloody midges. Alright, I think we'll end the day there. I'm just going to sit and look at the loch. It's not cold at all. And I'm going to listen to the radio for a bit and then do my teeth and just try and get a good night's sleep in the car.